Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. Today I'm going to show you guys what I purchased at Wally World. We literally just got in the door. The eagle has landed and it is hot. Actually it's humid because it keeps looking like it's going to rain. There's all my bags. Those were inside of my cooler bags that you guys see quite frequently. Now there are some things in this stuff that is not grocery related that we just needed. That was household stuff that you need to buy. This here I cut up, but this is just a ground chuck. It's the big roll. I buy it every month. You've seen it several times. I got this Roto-Rooter. It's like a Drano. Just quick backstory. I hired Roto-Rooter one time and they told me to always keep this in hand, and if I put a cap full in my commode and flush it every month, I will not have any issues. So I'm not having any issues because I guess because I've been using that. So $12. I just thought I would throw that out there. And it took me at the time $500 to get that information. My kids had jammed my commode clear up by trying to flush Matchbox cars down the toilet and they got stuck in the line. Very embarrassing moment for mom, but anyways, you live and you learn. Diet Pepsi, not for us, but for company. I did find these. These are Zero Sugar Chocolate Cake Mix by Pillsbury, and I'm going to give this a go. I bought some brown sugar Swerve. This is like for oatmeal and stuff. This is excellent to have on hand. Stocked up on the no sugar added Skittles water drink mixes. My hair color, I know I got 2 of these today, so it's somewhere here, the other one, but I use Nice and Easy, and it needs to be done very badly. Strawberries, some blueberries, big thing of potatoes. You know the big giant baking potatoes? $13. No way I'm paying $13 for potatoes. That used to be the cheap way to live. I don't know if you guys remember those days. Let me see here. Some more drink things. This is the watermelon, strawberry watermelon. This is one of our favorites. I bought 2 of those in the little drink mixes so we can have those handy when we go out. But I also bought it to make a big pitcher of it in the refrigerator here to drink on. 2 things of cream cheese. You never have enough cream cheese on hand. 3 boxes of the cheesecake zero sugar pudding. 2 things of butter, pepper jack cheese, the hot Jimmy Dean sausage, 3 mushroom spaghetti sauces. This is the zero sugar chocolate frosting. I think this is going to be good on that cake, and I will let you guys know. I post a lot of this kind of thing over on my Instagram. Look down in the description box. You'll see a link. If you try to find me, it is under, it's under Heidi's Home. So you should be able to find me on that. So I've got some turkey meat because we put that in omelets. Some mushrooms. The words will come to me. This is my meat. I've got some bacon, 2 things of hot Italian sausage, and I found these on sale, and these are wings. I got 2 of those. I thought having some spicy wings one night would be really, really good. Vinegar. Never go to Walmart hungry. Then you come home with wings and stuff you never normally buy. 2 cans of the white chicken breast meat. Last night I made the chicken nuggets in the air fryer. That's kind of gone viral on TikTok and Instagram Reels and all that. Delicious. Delicious. And if you're wondering what that recipe is, it's really simple. I probably will share it in an upcoming video with you all. But I drained 2 of these. And then I added 1 egg. And then I added cheese. So I just had mild cheddar, but this time I'm going to add in some pepper jack. You make like chicken nugget shapes, and you use crushed pork rinds to roll them in, and then I lay them in the bottom of my sprayed air fryer so that you don't want them to stick. And I did it on 370 for 15 minutes. They were so delicious. They're going to be really good with the spicier cheese. I guarantee it. I got some pumpkin because I'm dying here for fall. I'm hoping since I bought this, the cooler weather will just naturally show up. Some heavy whipping cream, some chicken broth, some sour cream right here, some biscuits. We've got some celery, some Colby Jack cheese, a large bag. I switched up this month because I'm getting tired of the mild cheddar, and I thought Colby Jack sounded really good. Some vanilla yogurt. This is the Greek yogurt, delicious. Cottage cheese. And we needed a toilet bowl kit because our flapper is broken upstairs on the toilet. We have a bathroom down here, but we got to get that fixed. And hopefully I can get somebody to fix it this week because I'm getting tired of coming downstairs. So we got 2% milk. I bought the big box of eggs today because I'm tired of buying eggs. I have bought so many eggs because we eat a lot of eggs. We eat eggs pretty much every day for breakfast. I did buy a thing of marshmallows because I do have some Rice Krispies in the pantry. And I thought I might make some Rice Krispie treats for my company. And of course my honey can have some if he wants them. I'll share. And then I've got another box of hair color because, see, I just have gray hair and it's not pretty. If it would all go gray, I wouldn't need this. Or otherwise, I'd look like Cruella de Vil. We've got some wheat bread, some buns because my father-in-law gave me a pork roast and I'm going to turn it into barbecue sandwiches. I hope so anyways. And then we've got some coffee. This lasts us 3 weeks. And then whole almonds back there. And I don't know if I showed the Pepsi. I think I did, but that is for company. And that is all I bought today. And I'm hot. I'm out of breath. I'm going to get this stuff put away because I got a busy evening tonight. But I hope you all enjoyed seeing everything that I purchased. I hope you all have a fantastic week. And thanks so much for watching. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Show me you like this haul. Leave me a comment because I love your comments and I will, definitely read them. I read all of them. So thank you so much for watching and have a fantastic week. Bye, guys.